Hello guys, and today we'll be making Cendol. First we will add in 850 milliliters of water into a large pot. We will put the pot onto the stove and let it boil. While the pot is boiling, we are going to make our Cendols. We will need 500 milliliters of water. Then we will place in our starch. We will mix this until the batter is smooth. After mixing, we will add in our pandan leaves liquid. We will add it into the mixture and stir until it is green. Add in as many pandan liquids as you want. Once the pot is boiling, we will add in our mixture that we made before. You will stir until the consistency of the mixture is quite heavy and quite sticky. Once your batter has a thick consistency, then we will move on into making the Celdons that we know. First, we need a cold bucket of water underneath where you're going to put our Celdons so that it cools down and doesn't go everywhere. Now we will make our water base for our Celdons. We will use 1 can of coconut cream. We'll add in 10 rocks of palm sugar into a pot. Now we will add in 500 milliliters of water into the pot. Half a teaspoon of salt. Now move the pot to a stove and stir on high heat. Now let it boil. After it boils, we are going to add in half a can of coconut cream. Now the serum is done. Next we are going to add in half a can of coconut cream. Add in a pinch of salt. Now stir. Now add in a tablespoon of sugar. Now stir until well combined. Now let's serve. I'm going to add in some ice to the soda to make it cool down since it is still hot. Next we are going to add in our palm sugar juice that we made before and put that in until it is all filled up. Then I'm going to add in our coconut cream water, which we have made before. I'm going to put in 1 spoon of it, and then we're going to eat and enjoy it. This was delicious and yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye!